know that selling your home without a real estate agent can save you thousands of dollars? Yep. But here's the thing. Most people make costly mistakes that end up wasting their time and money. Stay with me because I'm about to reveal the 15 essential steps and gotchas that you need to be aware of to sell your home successfully as a for sale by owner, or FSBO as it is known. There are too many nuggets spread throughout this quick and simple video series, including free downloads and offers, so stick around. Hey, I am Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group. We specialize in helping home sellers just like you take full control of the real estate process with confidence and total ease. Now, before we dive in, if you have any questions about anything that is covered, feel free to reach out to me. I've included my contact information in the description below. I have broken the full for sale by owner process into 5 videos in all. This video, being the first, lays the foundation, followed by 4 other videos. Video 2 in this playlist helps you prep your home for sale. Video number 3 covers marketing. Then video number 4 is all about the launch. And the final video, number 5, brings it all together by sharing the expenses incurred by a for sale by owner seller or FSBO seller to get this all done. Now, I suggest that you watch all the videos in the series to get an end-to-end understanding. And don't forget to grab the several goodies along the way that I've shared. Now, whether this is the first time you're selling your home or want to streamline the process, this video series is packed with actionable steps to help you get the job done right. All that said, are you ready to learn how to sell your home as a FSBO and keep more money in your pocket? Are you? Let's jump in. Now, before we start, as you attempt to sell your home by yourself, you always have to be thinking about 3 important things. They are, first is impression. How would a buyer think, see, and feel about owning your home? Number 2 is the uniqueness aspect. What can you, the seller, do to stand out from the competition? And number 3, exposure. How can you get the maximum exposure for your home and reach out to the most number of potential buyers out there? Now, all the insights covered in the rest of this video series will be based on these 3 aspects: impression, uniqueness, and exposure. That out of the way, the 15 steps in the FSBO process are broken down as follows. Steps 1 to 7, covered in video number 2, which is the video following this, is all about your home prep. Steps 8 to 11, covered in video number 3, is about marketing your home properly for wider reach and exposure. Steps number 12 to 15, covered in video number 4, is all about the home launch and ultimately getting your home sold. In video number 5, the last one in this playlist, which covers the expenses incurred by a FSBO seller and other related insights that you have to be aware of. And inside the individual videos in this series, I provide a running timeline for all the steps covered for you to skip directly to a specific section and watch what you need to brush up your skills on. Now, with that introduction out of the way, let's watch video number 2, linked somewhere over here, about how to prep your home for sale.